Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. This sticker book just released. This is Chic Fall from Live Love Posh, chock full of beautiful fall stickers. And if you didn't see my flip through, you can check that out. But today I'm going to do a spread for myself for the fall. I like to surprise myself once in a while and make like just one spread every once in a while that is in the future, so that when I turn the page, I can be pleasantly surprised that I now have my my spread made for this week. And I don't know, I just like doing that because I forget about it if I do it months in advance. So this is for my journal. I use a classic happy planner for my journal. I typically use the recovery layout. I throw in other layouts here and there. I'll be completely honest with you. I have not touched my journal in over a month now. July was super busy for me. And I just did not have time. So I skipped all of July. And now I'm filming this August 11th. I'm being completely honest. I have not used my journal in August either. So just to let you know that sometimes even people like me who teach you how to use planners and stuff, sometimes we don't use them either. So don't feel like you're a failure if you skip weeks or months. It's okay. I'm going to get back on track pretty soon. But I'm excited to use this, so let's get to it. I thought what I would do is use like a traditional fall color palette. So I really like these leaves. I love these trees, and these girls are beautiful. So I'm gonna sort of combine all of them together, I think. The first thing, I think I'm going to use these trees because I can't control myself. I love this. As soon as I saw these, I thought, oh, how beautiful would they look in the bottom of my planner spread. So we're going to put it down here on the right-hand side, right in the center. Now, since this is my journal, it's okay for me to cover up sections. It's okay in your planner too, but I will say that in my journal, I write all over the place, so I'm okay if certain days are covered, but that's just how I use my creative journal. Everyone's so different. I kind of journal weekly, or more weekly and less daily. Okay, so right away, it's beautiful. It feels like fall. I have to think about what dates I'm going to use. Probably a day in October, I think, or a week in October makes sense. And we'll put the dates at the top of the page. Hopefully I don't forget. I also have some washi tape here. I thought these were kind of cute. I don't know that I'm going to use them, but we'll see. They came from this washi tape pack. Most of my washi tape, to be honest, is still packed away since my move because I can't put my washi tape rack up until I paint the wall, and I can't paint the wall until I pick wallpaper for the other wall. So my washi tape rack is going to have to wait a little bit, and so all of my washi tape is like in a big bag, a big bag. It's very heavy, but I saw this, so I thought I'd use these. I got these on Amazon. If you're looking for, a lot of variety, this is great. If you're looking for high quality washi tape, this is not your product. It's okay. I don't love the quality of this, just being honest, but I love that I can just pull patterns out of there. So I think it's worth it. It wasn't that expensive. I forget how much, but I'll link that for you. I link all the products for you in these videos. I hope you guys appreciate that. It does take some time, but I appreciate you using them because it helps me out too for a small amount of commission. All right, so I thought I would use these leaves and sort of put them, I don't know, like in a wave with some girls in there. I don't know. Is that weird? It might be weird, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Sometimes I do weird things in my planner, and that's okay. In fact, I'd encourage you to do weird things in your planner. I'm gonna cover up this week's list because nobody has time for that. Yep, what is that spot? And what is that spot on my desk? But that spot especially, that's annoying. Anyway, let's keep going. So we're just putting them in like, I don't know, some sort of line, but not a straight line, sort of like a fantasy leaf blowing line. Is Is that a thing? A fantasy leaf blowing line? I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm sure you forgive me. Like kind of whoosh, you know? All right, so what can I talk about while I figure this out? I don't know. Let's blow the leaves up this way. Let's do a little bit of a gap. Like this one blew out of range. I kind of want to move these. They're too much. They're too perfect, you know? Anyway, this sticker book is bomb. You can go check it out. Like I said, it just released, so hurry up because their sticker books tend to sell out pretty quickly. So you don't want to miss out on it. I always say it's great to have at least one really great fall sticker book, you know. So if you don't have one, go for it. I guess we'll just do, like, I don't know. I'm just throwing them down. So this black thing on my finger, you see that? I have no idea what that is. I feel like it's blood underneath the skin. Is that gross that I'm telling you that? But it's been in a lot of videos lately, and I just want you to know it's not dirt. It's just like there. It just showed up one day, this black dot. I'm like, what is that? It's not a splinter. I don't know what it is. So we're just gonna like wait it out and see what happens to it. It doesn't hurt or anything. I don't know what happened, but your guess is as good as mine. I thought I would address the elephant in the room, you know, in case you noticed it and we're like, why isn't she washing her hands from day to day? I do. I wash them all the time. But, you know, I don't know what's going on there. You can always count on me to be weird and honest on my channel, I think. You never know what you're going to get. Let's blow this one right off the page. Okay, I'll cut that part out. That's cute. Now we're gonna put girls down though. We're putting the girls on there. I don't know, they're gonna blow around in the air too for some odd reason. I'm not naming these girls. I just think they're like mythical, you see? They're like magical. They don't really have names. They're just sort of ethereal. I don't even know how to describe them, but we're gonna put them around because they're so pretty. They're gonna go, oh wait, I should have her cover that dot, of course. They're just gonna go among the leaves, right? Because, you know, that's what they deserve. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I like her. She's like kind of fierce looking. And then this one too, she's like kind of a badass. Wait, I feel like, well, I guess she's stuck there. I don't like how this is like that. Maybe I'll take this one off. They're all kind of fierce, don't you think? See, I like how this one ends on the bottom, so it's not a line. And this one, you know, let me get another one that's like not a line, because it'll fade into the page a little bit better. Okay, let's see how that looks. I think that's cute. Now, we have these trees here. We might need like a tree or two over there. I don't know. Let's try that. So this is a very easy spread. The sticker books that Jessica, who owns Live, Love, Posh, the sticker books she puts out are always very easy to make pretty spreads with. It doesn't take a lot of thought, you know, just sort of throw the stickers down. I'm thinking like this one maybe. Over here on the side. Okay. We can put some fall words in there. Maybe there's words in the back here. Oh, there's also boxes in here. Maybe I should throw a couple boxes in. I wasn't really going to, but I should maybe. Just a couple. Maybe some smaller ones. And maybe the yellow first. Little box layering there. There's some headers too. Let's put this here today. Actually, let's use a lighter orange. I don't know that I need this now. It might be overkill to put so much on here. I don't think I'm going to use these, but I will link that box for you anyway. Like, I kind of like this one though with it because it matches their outfits a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I should. Or I could like, wait a minute. I do want to make it a little more interesting. I mean, it's pretty darn interesting, but you know what I mean? Let's like rip little pieces of patterned washi tape and put it around there. It makes it seem a little more cozy. I don't know, like little scarves. Little scarves among the girls. I don't know. But do you see what I'm talking about? I think that makes it actually cuter. I don't know why. I feel like something's missing right there. Like, you know what I mean? Maybe, I don't really want to put another one. Well, maybe. Let's see. A little bit. Not like that, though. Not like that either. So particular, Mary Ellen. Okay. Yeah, like a little scarf going throughout. And then maybe a little pop right here, you know? I think that's cute. I like it. Okay, I wasn't gonna use those, but very cute. I think that made it better. Sometimes little pops of washi tape in a spread, just like do something and change the look of it. You know what I mean? I don't know. I am such a washi tape lover. I can't even tell you how much I love washi tape. Obviously, I have, you know, if you know me, if you've seen my videos, I have a lot. I have a lot of washi tape, but I kind of don't mind. I mean, I definitely don't mind because, you know. Okay, that's kind of cute. Let's see. I don't want any big boxes. I just don't. I feel like this is a small box situation and, you know, like that makes more sense to me. I don't want it to go too box heavy, but there's 2 boxes there, so something needs to happen, right? Something needs to happen. So let's put an orange one there. We'll put a yellow one up here. No. Maybe the yellow should go there and the orange should go there. I don't know. No, we'll put a yellow one up here. Okay, and then like maybe 1 or 2 down here. We don't want to go crazy with the boxes. Just for fun. And of course for writing it. I'll write in it, but let's see. Maybe another header, right? I feel like. So we have today. How about to do? No, we don't want to do because this is my journal. Important. Okay, for like an important message to myself. And how about a little one over here? Maybe this darker orange. And a yellow. Is that too much? Just to like mirror the other side. All right, that's cute. Okay, I think I'm done. Oh my gosh, that was quick and cute. All right, we have to date it though. So let me look at the calendar. I could do the first week of fall, but I don't know that I'm gonna do that. Okay, I have the Essential Dates and Numbers sticker book from Happy Planner, and I thought I would use some gold. So I have, there's a page, yeah, that has gold October, and I thought it goes better than black because everything's like kind of light colored, or warm, I should say. So we're gonna do October 9th through the 15th. It's kind of random, but I think that's a good week to do. So let me get some of these gold. I could use suns, that would be cute, but it's not really matching. So let's do the gold numbers. And I saw some in circles, which I thought were pretty. Where are they? These, yeah. So what did I say? 9th through 15th? Yeah. So just little gold numbers at the top, very cute. Now we have to think of a name for this spread. The first thing that came to mind, I'm not using. Oh my gosh. The first thing that came to my mind was Autumn Cuties. I'm not using that. That seems like so wrong. I don't know. It just seems like I'm objectifying these women. Yuck. So how about, I'm gonna call it Autumn Unveiled. I don't know why, it just feels right. So there you have it, my cozy October 9th spread. I'm gonna be very excited when I turn the page and these girls are here to greet me. So don't forget the Chic Fall sticker book is on sale now, and you can use code BUMBLE10 for 10% off your order at Live Love Posh. Everything will be in the description box for you. Thank you for using my links. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.